alright.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought that I would do another what I eat in a day. I really love filming these videos and I really love watching these videos. I don't know if that makes me really nosy. I just like to see what people eat during the day. I have recently started a little bit of a fitness journey, which if you guys watch my videos you would know. If you guys are starting a little bit of a health and fitness journey as well, then this might be of interest to you guys. I did finish Sarah's Days ebook a few weeks ago, and then last week for like a week and a half I've had a little bit of an off time with my eating. I haven't been eating like super bad or anything, but it hasn't been great. So today is going to be a little bit of a restart. So I'm ready for the day, and the first thing I'm going to have is a smoothie, and I'm going to incorporate this TEAMI superfood blend, green superfood blend. It's got matcha, spirulina and wheatgrass in it. And so basically just mix in 1 scoop with water, juice, or you can add it to your smoothie. Definitely gonna add it into a smoothie. I might add it into one of my Juice Plus smoothies. I don't know what the chocolate and the greens would taste like together, but that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast this morning. So these smoothies you guys have seen me take a million times before. They are quite filling, so for me this is enough for breakfast, especially when I'm not super hungry or if I am trying to do a little bit of a restart and I don't want to eat too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this with 1 scoop of the greens. Okay, so I've made my smoothie. Now, the colour looks a bit questionable. So basically, I'm assuming it's going to taste like matcha chocolate. Hopefully I can't taste the spirulina or wheatgrass too much. But let's do a little bit of a taste test. It's not too bad. It's definitely not bad. It definitely tastes like a chocolate matcha milkshake. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna go and charge that while I drink this, and I also need to clean the house. So I'm gonna do that while I charge my battery. So I've had my smoothie. It's a little bit later now. I've been doing some studying and I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna eat some of this granola. I'm probably not gonna eat all of it because it is almost lunchtime. Okay, so this is my first time trying this. So it had a list of what's in it, but I just ripped it off. Maybe I will eat the whole packet. Almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, walnuts, coconut, maple syrup, brown sugar, brown rice syrup. That's really good. So I'm just gonna snack on this while I study. I'm really behind on my studying right now because I've been back at work. I haven't been in a really good routine, so I need to get back on that because I didn't have that long to finish it. I have like a year and a half and I feel like I still have a lot to do. So I'm gonna snack on this. I've also been making sure I'm drinking a lot of water. So this is from the TEAMI as well. It's the same brand as the superfood blend that I had in my smoothie this morning. But it's really cool because, screw the top off, that you can actually pull out. I've just got some lemon slices in there right now. But if you wanted to put like a loose leaf tea in there, and this bottom bit also screws off. Let me put the top back on. Yeah, so this bottom bit also screws off. So if you want to put like, I don't know, vitamins or something in there, if you're traveling, you can put them in there. So it's a little bit later now. I've had my granola. I am still quite hungry, so I think I'm gonna go make some avocado toast because I made some for lunch the other day and it was the best avocado toast I've ever had in my life. So I'm gonna try and make it again. Okay, so this is my lunch. So I've got some avocado. Decided to mix it with a little bit of cottage cheese because there wasn't a lot of avocado left. So we've got some protein from the cottage cheese and we've got some healthy fats from the avocado. And then just some brown toast. And then there's also some little cherry tomatoes, a little bit of onion on top, and then salt and pepper, and I drizzled it with some olive oil, and there's also some lime squeezed into the avocado. So that is what I'm having for lunch. I'm so excited. This is like my favorite meal ever. It is so simple and it tastes so amazing. It's a little bit later now and I'm just having a little snack. So I'm having some roasted chickpeas, and these are flavored with rosemary and sea salt. And then I'm also gonna have this tea which came in the Goodness Me box. So it's just a blueberry black tea. So I'm going to have that while I continue to do some studying. So this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. It's just some pumpkin risotto with zucchini, there's a few onions on top, some pine nuts, and a squeeze of lemon. Just having a small bowl, but I'm excited because it smells really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I did forget to mention in the beginning of the video that I have a discount code for TEAMI. I'll have all of the information linked down below, so you can go and check that out if you want to buy the green superfood blend, or any of their protein shakes, and they have like skincare and stuff as well. So I'll have all of that linked down below. All my social media links will also be down in the description bar, so you can check out those if you want to. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.